Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make the colorful egg feast in Heartopia. It is a food recipe that you can purchase from the Revival Hymn Exchange store. I'm just going to purchase this recipe, and then don't forget to learn it. Go to the stove. My house looks a mess right now. Don't comment on it. But basically, you'll need all of the 4 colorful eggs, which I made a video before this. So I'm just going to place this in my inventory real quick so I can actually make the food recipe. So it's right here. You'll need all of the 4 eggs, which is very simple to make. And then once you're done cooking, you will get the very cool egg thing. Egg feast. Sorry. I don't remember what it's called. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!